In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a basic quiz on Canvas. So you start from your home page by going to the left and choosing Quizzes. Then in the right-hand corner, you will select Plus Quiz. From here, you want to choose Classic Quizzes, and for this reason, New Quizzes is still something that Canvas is working on. And so until they have all the kinks worked out, they've suggested to use Classic Quizzes, especially for syncing quizzes to grade books like Infinite Campus. Okay, now I can title the quiz in this text box. We'll call it Boston Massacre. All right. Within this rich content editor, I can add the quiz instructions. I'm just going to copy and paste. And again, this is the same rich content box as most things in Canvas, so I could still, I could add a link, video, image, things like that. All right, this is a graded quiz, so I'm going to keep that there. I'm going to change this because it is a quiz. I'm going to change it to assessments. You don't have to necessarily, depending on how you want to grade it. This will just change which grade weight category it goes to. I do want to sync to SIS. That would be syncing to Infinite Campus. I will shuffle the answers. This is for if you allow multiple attempts, it will shuffle the answers. I don't necessarily want to set a time limit. I'll go ahead and allow multiple attempts. I don't want to keep the highest. How many attempts? Let's just do 2. Okay. I can go ahead and have them see their quiz responses. I don't necessarily want them to see their correct answers. That would be up to you. All right, it is assigned to everyone. Let's go ahead and select a assigned date and available from. All right, so before we click save and publish, I need to add the questions. To do that, I go to the questions and I'm going to select new question. Now, this over here, new question group, would be if I've already created a group of questions, like maybe from a previous quiz, I could just select that group. But I haven't, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to new question. All right, so question 1. I'm going to leave this one as multiple choice, but I do have some different options, true and false, multiple, fill in multiple blanks, things like that. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as multiple choice, and I'm going to go ahead and copy my question, paste in the text box. All right, it's important to note where the correct answer needs to be added. Just because right now that's the first option does not mean when the students are taking the quiz that the first option will always be the correct answer. It will shuffle the answers. All right, so I want to be sure, just for my sake, I always put in the correct answer first so I don't forget that I've already added that question, or excuse me, that answer choice. So I'm going to go in and finish my answer options, copy and paste there. Okay, now I always, if I make any changes to a quiz, or if I'm just creating it, I always want to make sure I push update question. Otherwise, that will not save your question. All right, I'm going to add one more question. Question 2, and this question 2 is going to be an essay question because I'm going to have this one as a short answer where students will actually type in their answer. So I'm going to go in and type my writing prompt, or rather copy and paste. And if I want the amount of points to change for the essay question, I can change it over on the right-hand corner of that. And let's say this is going to be 3 points versus the 1 for multiple choice. And update. And save and publish. And that's it.